Hi, it's Mike.
In this video we're going to have a look at sharing files with SharePoint. So the first thing you need to make sure is that OneDrive is signed in and that your SharePoint sites are syncing to your computer. So the first way to share is via the files that are on your computer. So open File Explorer and then click on your SharePoint icon. Open up your SharePoint document and then find the file that you'd like to share. Click it and then right click and then click on share, and this opens up the sharing options. Now this option is for anyone with the link can access the document. This is for anyone within your organization. This is for people with the existing access, and if you just want to specify a certain person or email address that can access this file, then this is the option. This is probably the safest one for sharing outside of your organization. So select it and click apply. Add the email address, and it says it gives you a warning that this person is outside of your organization. The drop down here you can select whether they can edit the document or view only, and then once you're done just click on send, and that will get emailed over to them. And there it is. And what happens, they receive this email, and then it opens up, and then what they have to do is send the code back to their email address. So if you go back into the inbox, and it gives you a code, and this gives them access then to the document. And this is just a way to stop anyone from outside of this email address accessing the document. That should load up. Now another way to do it is when you go into SharePoint, so this is the SharePoint homepage, click on the group that you require or the site, click on documents, and then find the document you want to share, click the three dots and then click on share, and then it's just the same process again. Select the options you want, enter the email address. And then just click send again, and it'll be exactly the same process. It'll send the code through, and there you can see it's opened up the document.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you would like help with other Microsoft tools or programs, please check out our knowledge base portal or contact us with your request.